I'm telling you, we could throw one heck of a snow cone party with all that.
Would that make those clowns the party guests?
Those clowns seem to have some pretty powerful weaponry.
You no good traitor!
I'm taking what's rightfully mine.
Just can it! You're done, you freak! Get him, boys!
There's no way!
Hi there. Avengers assemble!
I suggest you stay out of this. It's none of your concern.
Have some wasp sting! Huh?
Repulsor! Friday! What's up with the ice?
Roughly 2 tons of H2O and a large quantity of methane ammonia have been detected in the makeup of ice in this area.
My name is Blizzard. My ice can freeze the red-hot magma of a volcano.
Shield throw!
How cute!
Give him everything we've got!
Lightning strike! Hulk smash!
Time for you to cool off!
Hulk, no!
Everyone stay back! Let's regroup!
Yeah, you might want to take cover from the storm.
Damage to thermal regulator detected. Functionality is down to 10%.
At this rate, I'd say this whole area is about to go full Ice Age!
Coordinate our attacks! He's getting away!
Let's go!
No, wait!
See ya!
I'm afraid we lost him.
Somebody! Help me! I'm going numb! Get me out of this thing!
It appears they were attacked in the middle of brokering an illegal arms trade.
Huh. I guess that means these guys can tell us all about what happened.